Hello, beautiful people. I am Kristen. Welcome to my channel. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you being part of my universe. And if you're just visiting, welcome. I have a Stitch Fix box that I got today, but I didn't order a Stitch Fix. I have no idea. It's a random Stitch Fix box. So I either didn't successfully cancel my next box because I did just get married and go on a honeymoon, and I have another trip next month, so I skipped a box. But maybe I didn't. Or sometimes I know Stitch Fix actually sends people things randomly to bless them, and I'm wondering if my stylist Alyx maybe sent me something randomly from Stitch Fix. So I'm gonna unbox it with you because I'm not unboxing what I ordered because I didn't order anything. But the box is a little different. It's got bubble wrap and oh look y'all, it's a card. This is awesome. I did timely have a $50 credit link. So if you have not done Stitch Fix and you use the link that I will put in my description and comments, you will get $50 credit. So here's the card. It says, "Dear Kristen, Alyx shared the news of your recent wedding. Congratulations. We couldn't be happier for you and hope this is a fun surprise that reminds you of all the joy and excitement you're feeling now for many years to come, as well as the wonderful memories you've built along the way. Cheers to a lifetime of love and adventure. All our best, the Stitch Fix." I'm getting emotional, y'all. That's just, it's handwritten. It's just really touching. I've been doing Stitch Fix for a couple years, and look y'all, it's in silver paper. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look, it's like on the road forever, and it's a little RV, and it's got our names on it. It says Kristen and David and our wedding date. And we were supposed to take an RV and park it on the beach for our honeymoon, but you know, the hurricane came through and we had to evacuate, so we went to a cabin in West Virginia. But check it out, God is good, because there's the mountains. We weren't gonna be at the mountains and we ended up at the mountains. So how perfect is that? That's just so beautiful. This is just an amazing company, and I just walked my dog. I've never owned a dog. Okay, side note, if you own a dog and would like to give me tips on being a dog owner, I would love that. It's a border collie. She's 9 years old. I have never in my life, I've only had indoor cats. And so I'm asking really stupid questions all the time. And I just walked her. So I'm sweating and my face has been breaking out this week, and it's been stressful getting back to work for, you know, the first time after you've been off for a couple weeks. And this is just so touching. Thank you, Alyx. Thank you, Stitch Fix. Y'all are a fantastic company. Definitely my favorite boxing company. And when I am done catching back up with my trips and all that, I will be unboxing. I do have a coffee and a classic and my book reviews, and I know many people have been asking me about the wedding vlog. I have downloaded it all. I'm almost done editing it, and I think this one will go up Thursday, and Friday, tomorrow, my wedding vlog should go up sometime by the end of the day. I give you a promise. I will get it done one way or another. Something will go up tomorrow on that. So if you are not subscribed and would honor me with doing that, I would love to reach 500 subscribers by my birthday, which is in November. So follow along with my crazy life, and if you haven't done Stitch Fix, give it a shot, y'all. It's a very personal, loving company. Click the link, and y'all, wherever you're doing, have a super blessed day.